Hey everybody, it's Miss Pennington here. I am leaving this instructional video for you to see kind of what's going to happen today. So today, the ninth graders, A through K, will be on campus for something that's called Mavaganza. Mavaganza is basically like a freshman orientation. So they're going to come here and they're going to be the stars of the show for the day. They're going to kind of look around campus, get a tour, go through their schedule and figure out where all their classes are before everybody is back face to face. So because of that, I have to help out with Mavaganza. Today we are not going to be meeting. So what that means is in order for me to take attendance for you and for you to get counted present, you need to complete the assignments that I post on Google Classroom. Now, today's assignment is going to be an IXL diagnostic. What that basically means is you're going to log into IXL and you're going to hit this diagnostic button. And I'll show you in a minute how exactly to do it. But that diagnostic is kind of like a test, but it's not going to be for a grade. This test is just to see where you are, what your strengths and what your weaknesses are. Now, nobody's going to see these results but me. All right, so if, say, for instance, a person is having trouble solving equations, then I know that's what I need to work on with you. So this is something for me to kind of gauge where you are, what you've forgotten, because I know it's been several months since we've actually been back in the classroom. So I do want you to take it seriously because even though it might not be for a grade, well, it will be for a participation grade, but it is going to gauge where exactly you are. You know, are you very advanced or do you need a lot of help? And so that's what the point of this is. So I want to talk to you a little bit about how to log into IXL. Okay, so here's just our Manville High School website. Click on faculty, click on my name, which is Sarah Pennington. And if you go to math classes, whether you are face-to-face or you are virtual, it's all the same, right? This is going to be your IXL login page. Now, what's going to happen is, I've seen this so many times, okay? Do not type anything at all right here. You are not to type anything at all right here, okay? You are just going to hit this sign in with Google button. So did everybody hear that? Everybody hit the blue button. Do not type anything here. If you type something here, it's going to say you do not exist. And because I've explained this to you, I'm not going to feel bad when you say, Miss, I typed it in and nothing happened, because you're not supposed to type. You are just supposed to hit the sign in with Google button. Watch what happens. Boom, I'm in. All right, and as long as you are signed into your Alvin ISD email, if you notice, let me drag my window over. If you notice over here, I am signed in with my Alvin ISD email. So you need to make sure that you are signed in with your Alvin ISD email before you attempt signing in. If it's logged into your personal email, it's not going to work. Okay, so very important. You need to be signed into your Alvin ISD email. I know that some people have personal accounts, and so they might show up here. Make sure that you hit the sign out of all accounts button and just re-log into your Alvin ISD email. It's very important that you're logged into the Alvin ISD email for this, okay? All right, so back to this. If you look back on my website, let's just say you are my AVL geometry class. Scroll down to IXL. This is the instructions. This is everything that I just told you, okay? So it says you have to hit this blue button right here. See how it's highlighted in yellow? It's a very big button. You just hit that, all right? And so it talks about teachers here, but for students, what happens is they're going to start showing you some recommendations based on this diagnostic test that I'm going to give you. All right, so if I suggest something, it's going to pop up right here, and it's going to say this is suggested by Miss Pennington. I think it shows my name there once, you know, we're all in. All right, so it's not posted yet, but what I'm going to do is post on your Google Classroom for tomorrow. Let me drag this down a little bit. There we go. All right, so this means week 2. Your week 2 agenda will be posted here. The ninth graders are going to be doing Mavaganza, A through K. Everybody else, even the ninth graders L through Z, you will be doing your IXL diagnostic test, okay? That means all of my geometry classes, whether you're face-to-face or AVL, whether you're in the learning lab, whether you are at home, you are all going to be doing this diagnostic test, okay? And I'm going to leave instructions on your Google Classroom, okay? I'm going to leave those IXL directions. I'm going to leave, exactly how to sign in, what you need to do. So it's very important that you complete this, because completion of this assignment means if you are present or absent. Because we are not meeting virtually, I don't get to see your faces, I don't get to see your names on the Google Meets, right? So this is your attendance. If you do not complete this by 3 p.m., then you will be marked absent. So I need everybody to do this for me, or you will be marked absent. All right, and then it turns into a whole thing, you submitting evidence that you did the work. So just do the work and hit turn in or mark as done or whatever it says on there. That way you get to be counted present for the day. All right, so good luck, and I will leave further instructions on your Google Classroom. I'm going to post this video to your Google Classroom, all right? And I will see you, I'm not sure if I'm going to see you on Tuesday or Wednesday. I'm waiting for further instructions from my bosses. I know they need my help on Monday. I'm not sure about Tuesday. Okay, I will see you then.